YouTube, what's up? It's your boy CryptoJ coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We are talking about some Bitcoin today. We're going to talk about some Toshi. We're going to talk about the kind of market, a lot of these coins really. But before we do that, I just gotta let you guys know, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a homie CryptoJ. So don't buy anything that you see in this video. It's not financial advice. You gotta do your own research and buy things that you believe in. Have some conviction in things that you believe in. But let's talk about first of all some Bitcoin. Right? We gotta talk about Bitcoin. We can't talk about the market without, of course, talking about Bitcoin coming in at 111,000 right now. 2.2 trillion market cap. Still in a bit of an uptrend, right? But we shot all the way up to 13K today, guys, and dropped all the way down to 11. This was a dirty, nasty trick from the bears right here, right? You can see we had this rising wedge forming here, and then we just dropped right down. We were at 113. It was looking pretty solid, but again, we talk about that early in the week fake out. Isn't it just kind of happened out that way? Like, isn't it so weird how it just plays out that way? Like, if we're pumping early in the week, sometimes we do see some sell off, um, which is what I was saying in my last video. We might see some sell off, right? So you can see Bitcoin creating this wedge right here, but still overall catching some support on the 7 day. We're not broken down off of our, you know, more longer term, like the 7 day again, not still in an uptrend, right? This is still, we could still be forming a wedge here, but there's a chance that we found also a double bottom here, right? And that could be a situation where we can, you know, see some possible upside on Bitcoin. Now, one thing we do want to pay attention to is this shoulder head, and then if we create another shoulder here, this could mean that we need to see a retest of some of these lower ranges. Um, but again, it's always speculative, right? As you guys can see, this head and shoulders pattern played out over here, right? We got shoulder, head, shoulder, and you can see how the trend kind of breaks down. It's a bearish pattern, but right, shoulder, head, shoulder, and sell off, right? But I don't think that we've basically, I don't think we've topped out on this cycle, right? It looks like we're still kind of just consolidating, but this thing could really run. So I don't know. We'll see. It's a possibility. Of course, it could break down. But again, we normally have a blow off top to all of our cycles. In my opinion, this thing is just slow moving. It's just Bitcoin is still Bitcoining. But yeah, the market is responding, right? Yesterday, I think that our fear greed index was like 30 something. We're at like a 41 now. Altcoin season says that a 52%, right? Some of these things may be starting to move, right? As you can see, the market cap starting to move on cryptocurrency right now. Are you bullish on crypto, guys? Are you bullish? Let's check out some Ethereum, and then we're gonna check out some Toshi. We're gonna check out a little bit of everything, right? Check it all out, right? So you guys can see Ethereum still making a good uptrend. We were talking about Ethereum way down here, guys. I was telling you guys, this is dummy cheap. Like, this is heavy manipulated and dummy cheap. And I told you guys, ETH is known to be very volatile. This asset's going to be a lot more volatile than Bitcoin. It's $521 billion. It's like a fourth. Like, that's how big Bitcoin is right now. But at the same time, our entire market cap is smaller, like, than some companies. So again, we're, in my opinion, just super early. This is going to be volatile. It's going to take time, unless you're swing trading this stuff. If you're accumulating this stuff, like myself, accumulating a lot of this stuff, um, then, your strategy is a little bit different. Everybody has their own strategy. I've been doing this for a long time. And what I found is that time in the market beats time in the market. I look for things at a cheaper price, try to dollar cost average and this stuff. So that's ultimately the goal. Um, but yeah, also Solana looking pretty solid right now too. Let's check out some Salt and then we'll check out some Toshi. Since again, I know you guys want to check out Toshi. Solana on an uptrend right here on this all time. Also creating a rising wedge on the 1 year. This thing either it could break up and this would make a nice cup and handle, or again we could be creating another rising wedge and this could be a bearish pattern and we could see a big sell off similar to like what happened here, right? We created this rising wedge and it had a big sell off, right? So it's a possibility that also Solana can have a big sell off. But again, it's up on the year 59%. Like that's pretty solid. Pretty good on the 1 month also. Interesting, interesting. I like DeFi. I'm looking for definitely positions in Solana at the cheapest price possible too. Personally, that's just me. I mean, you gotta again go do your research. I'm not telling you to buy any of this stuff. I already told you don't buy it. Um, but yeah, let's talk about some Toshi. Right? You guys want to check out some Toshi? Check it out. So you guys can see Toshi coming in at 237 million market cap. Still sitting on the weekly right now on this middle tilter channel. Does have this little McDonald's M, but again, we haven't really broken it down on the weekly. Does look like on the 1 day that we really got to get back above this 250 on the 1 day. But I mean, it's a volatile trade, right? Could be. Okay, cool. We're still recording. My computer just totally died. I don't know. We're just gonna roll with it. But yeah, we just rejected off of this second builder channel here, so we're still have some support on the bottom on the 4 hour, and yeah, it looks like we're kind of bouncing off the one. So we'll see if Toshi can find some support down here in this zone, or if it needs to see more correction. What do you guys think? You guys think Toshi needs to correct down more, maybe back down to this 190 range, something like that? Or do you guys think that we're going to bounce off of this and we're going to remain bullish? It's really going to depend on market sentiment. So I really want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section um, what you think on Toshi. And yeah, also if you're not yet tapped into the Patreon, check out the Patreon, guys, because we're updating it all the time, guys. Updating it all the time. So don't miss it. Check it out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.